Welcome back everybody, and I'm just continuing the class of implementing the IT project in SAP, and today is class about scheduling the project. We have completed the project I/7654 with WBS elements, activities, and their relationship, and we have planned the activities, and now we are scheduling the dates based on bottom-up scenario. Here you can see they have mentioned everything. They're asking us to open the project planning board and selecting all the WBS element and scheduling the WBS element dates, and they're asking us to extrapolate the dates by using the reconcile dates copy scheduled function to the WBS elements. It's very simple. The scheduling means we will plan which activity needs to be done on which date. For each activity we have 7 different internal activities in 3 different WBS elements, and we'll plan the time and duration for those activities. We will schedule it, and we will extrapolate those dates to the upper level WBS elements. It's very simple. We can see our project in the last projects processed section, and it will be opened here, and we can see there is a project planning board button here. You can choose the project definition and click on project planning board. It will open the project planning board for this project in the same window, and after clicking on edit we can choose select all button, or of course we have the select all button here also. It will select each and everything of the WBS elements, and after here we are scheduling that by just following the sequence, selecting all and scheduling. This will schedule the dates. Here is the schedule button. Once it is shared, scheduling is carried out. Message will be coming in the bottom of the screen, and after that we need to extrapolate the dates of the activities to the top level WBS elements. Simply choosing the only WBS elements from here, edit, select only WBS elements. It will choose the WBS elements only, and after clicking on edit, reconcile date and copy schedule dates, this function will copy the dates of the activities and it will be aggregated and it will be pushed to the top level WBS elements. Here, if the activity, this test pilot activity, is planned on today, and it will be completed in 10 days, and here the implementation activity will start in the next 10 days, and it will be done in after 10 days. So the first activity's start date, the start date among the 3 activities and the finish date among the 3 activities will be taken up and will be pushed to the upper level WBS element. You can see these activities are planned, these dates. You can see this is December 2011 and this is November 2011. These activities are planned in these dates. Based on these activities, the WBS elements also planned for the particular duration. Once we choose copy reconcile dates and copy schedule dates, it will be pushed to the higher level WBS elements, and once we click on save, the WBS elements and their dates will be saved in the database, and we can see the status message of project is being changed successfully in the database. We will continue the next lesson in the next class about cost planning. Thank you.